arm stretch right there. Picking up this old Volkswagen bus. Go surfing in this bad boy, my boy. Oh, they're gonna have stuff inside. That. ¿Qué tal? Buenos días.
Ya, Diego. ¿Qué quieres hacer?
Morning.
Looking for door J.
Busca un señor una puerta door J. Un señor anda buscando puerta J.
No, la verdad.
Vamos a hacer la bajadita. Pero sí.
Yo lo voy a tener de acá un poco. Súbete a la grúa por si acaso.
¿Quieres que me suba adentro por el freno? Ya, aquí está bien. Ya, no, hay suficiente espacio.
No, no pasa nada, no, aquí ni para acá. Está liviana. Derecho.
Oh, ok. Perfecto, ya.
¿Está derecho?
Ya.
Ok, púchale. No tiene con el peso. Sí.
¿Sabes qué? Lo bueno que tiene esa llanta baja ya.
Sí, es menos bueno.
Ya. Sí me acuerdo de eso, verlo ahorita. Ya. Ahí está, no pasa nada. Mira.
Okay, ya. Bajó lo que bajó.
Ya. Y eso no se ocupa. Ahí está, mira.
Sí. Ponle de velocidad. Primera.
Y ven, menea, se le menea un poquito.
Está neutral.
¿Estamos mal o qué?
Está en gear. No, el Nexo. Sentido. No, está en gear. No puedes pull the parking brake. ¿Quieres que te la abra?
It's up. Parking brake's up.
No, ahí está engaged.
That's fine. I got all the straps. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna need, okay, I'm gonna winch it down. Okay, para allá, ya bajándola lo voy a bajar con el cable abajo. Okay.
Parking brake's on now.
Okay.
Oh, ya ahí está.
Okay.
Más acuérdate que está el parking brake.
Winch it down anyway, so that's cool with me. $19.60 tray. I don't record too many of my toes, but this one caught my eye. I learned this trick online. So we don't go nowhere. This is just extra. This bad boy is gonna have to go Ooh, we're gonna have to stretch this one out. Should be able to make it. It's gonna get to the body right here. Let's see what happens. Might can use it, might cannot use it. Don't know yet. We just want to stay away from this fresh paint. You gonna do it right, baby. Okay. Any little false step. We be done, son. There it goes right there. Nice and low, nice and away from the body. Like I said, I don't want it anywhere near the. I really don't like these twists, but it's fine. It's not gonna work. Nope, it's too short. Oh, I'll be right there. Good. Barely. Nice. Okay. I feel good about this one now. Had to break a couple moves out right quick. Okay, this one can go there. A little snugger. Good. One more again. We Gucci. We Gucci. Not the ideal way, but we got this nice ramp. Landing gear is on the bottom over there. So, okay, good. It got off the landing gear was on the ramp there, but with the weight of the truck, it moved up. We're good on that. I'm gonna double check that door. Okay, I mean, that's pretty much, we got no engine, we got no transmission, we got no brakes. Ooh. Make sure this door's not gonna flop open on me. Okay, we're good. Got her strapped down, my boy. We got her strapped down. She's good to go. It is a bit of a ride, so just wanted to make sure that we were locked in. Let's go. 63 Volkswagen bus. Okay. One more. Where is this one at? Right there. Son of a bitch. Okay. All right, I'm out. Volante. ¿Dónde? Oh, yeah. ¿Cómo le pusieron el freno? Sí. Oh, dale. Yeah, that's it.
All right.
Let's do it. Yep. Yep. Perfect. Ahora sí, straight. Yep.
No, para allá.
Todo para allá.
Ahí, acá. Está bien. Ahí está bien, ya.
Parking o tablitas.
Ah, aquí
Oh, mira, aquí está el chalk. Yeah.
Ya, está. Ya. Oh.
Oh, perfect. Okay, let me get your receipt. You done, my boy. Little nerve-wracking. Because they seem